Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear viewers, in this video we are going to learn direct indirect of imperative sentences. First of all, imperative sentence. An imperative sentence is a sentence that tells someone to do something, gives advice or instructions, or that expresses a request or command. An imperative sentence usually have no obvious subject. For example, go to work, don't do that, don't walk on the grass, you should study hard. Imperative sentence, an imperative sentence gives a command or make request. It ends with the period. Please bring the pizza to the table. Mom, please tie my shoes. Open your mouth. Do 10 push-ups and 20 jumping jacks. We have to change such sentences, means imperative sentence, to indirect speech. The word ordered or requested, advised, suggested, not to do is added to the reporting verb, depending upon the nature of imperative sentence in the reported speech. For example, he said to me, please help me. Now the word please shows that it is a matter of request. He requested me to help him. The other changes in pronoun and tenses are the same as the other sentences of interrogative and positive sentence. She said to him, you should work hard. He suggested him to work hard for exam. They said to him, do not tell a lie. They said to him, here we put they advised him not to tell a lie. He said, open the door. Now it is a matter of, as per mood of the sentence, it is a matter of order. He ordered to open the door. The teacher said to the student, do not waste time. Teacher always advised the students. The teacher advised the students not to waste time. Now, yes, uh, now the next exercise is the judge said, call the next witness. In this sentence, the mood of the sentence in report speech tells about that it is a matter of order. The judge ordered to call the next witness. Next is, she said to me, tell the truth. As per reported speech, mood of sentence, it is the matter of advice. She advised me to tell the truth. He said to his sister, please say something. Now the word please shows that it is the matter of request. He requested his sister to say something. Now the last sentence, Jacob said, let us finish our work first. This sentence beginning with let in the reported speech. In the reported speech, we put proposed. Jacob proposed, and we put here that conjunction. And that they and let replace should, that they should finish their work first. Now let's see the script. Take care.